hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Take a thick sheet and stick a square shaped mirror over it. Now I'm going to add white stone chain. Cut out the stone chain in 4 pieces and stick around the mirror. If you're interested in more mirror jewelry, I made lot of videos on them, so do check out my channel. You might like them as well. Let it dry for some time. Now I am using silver bead chain to stick around the gold stone chain. Over here I am adding second layer of bead chain. You can always design these earrings according to your choice by adding different color of bead chains or stone chains. It's always up to you. After you're done, cut it out. Let's keep this aside. To make pearl drops, you need few pearls and pins. Attach the pearls to the pins using the plier. So if you like what you're watching so far, please hit the thumbs up button. You need to make 5 for each earring. Let's cut it out to make them short using the plier. Now take a hook and a hoop. Attach the hook to the hoop. Please check out my other videos as well. I'm going to link down few videos in the description box, and I have created few playlists, so do check them out. After you're done, we are going to assemble all of them together. Firstly, apply some glue over the base and stick the pearls, leaving some space between each other. Now cut out the hoop in the center and glue it to the base as well. I'm doing this because the hoop I have is smaller in size. You can use the bigger hoop instead of cutting it out. Lastly, glue another sheet of the paper over the base and press down hardly. That's it, you're done. Now finish it up by adding some nail paint over the back of the earring. And with that, your beautiful silver mirror earrings are ready. The design is so simple, and these days the mirror earrings are so in trend, and the pearl detailing makes these earrings prettier. You can pair them for casual wears or for traditional wears as well. They look good in both kind of outfits. So do comment down below if you like these earrings, and Do subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to never miss any of my updates. Until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!